Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Transit 150. The Transit 150 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacity. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front license plate bracket, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.